Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to study the 7th standard maths operation on rational number practice set 23. In the practice set, question number 1 is given to us. Write the three natural numbers that lie between the two given numbers. मतलब आपको क्या करना है कि दूसरे तीन रैशनल नंबर्स को लिखना है जो दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में आते हैं. तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है 2/7, 6/7. First question is given to us 2/7, 6/7. So what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to find out the three rational number in between the 2/7 and 6/7. So first of all, what we are supposed to do? हमको क्या करना है 2/7 और 6/7 के बीच में के नंबर्स ढूंढने के लिए हमको इन दोनों का सम टोटल करना है और इनकी सम टोटल को हम क्या करेंगे 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. तो हमको जो है इस तरह से उनके बीच के नंबर्स मिलते जाएंगे. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्टली व्हाट वी आर डूइंग 2/7 एंड 6/7, their total should be divided by the 2. So total sum divided by 2. Therefore 2/7 plus 6/7 divided by 2 is equals to. अब यहाँ पे दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर सेम होने की वजह से सिर्फ एक ही बार लिखेंगे 2 + 6 is equals to /7 divided by 2. तो यहाँ पर 2 + 6 it's 8. So here we'll write down 8/7 divided by 2. That will be equals to. अब 2 का हमको क्या करना है मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स लेना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम 2 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स लेंगे तो इस तरह से हो जाएगा 8/7 into 1/2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So that will be equals to 4/7. This is your first number. Now like that way we will find out the second number also. To find the number in between 4/7 and 2/7, we are supposed to see what we are supposed to see here. सिमिलर वे जिस तरह से हमने ये किया था वैसे ही. तो यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे 2/7 plus 4/7 divided by 2 is equals to. दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो हम एक ही बार इसको लिखेंगे 2 plus 4/7 divided by 2. So that will be equals to here 6/7 then divided by 2 is equals to 6/7 into 1/3 is equals to 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So it is 2/7. So it will be 3 2s are 6. यहाँ पे 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 आएगा. तो यहाँ पर इस तरह से हो जाएगा 3/7. ये आपका सेकेंड नंबर आ गया. अब हमको थर्ड नंबर भी फाइंड आउट करना है तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर to find the number in between 6/7 and 4/7. Similar way, what we are going to do, 4 upon 7 plus 6 upon 7 divided by 2 is equals to, यहाँ पर 4 plus 6, once we will write down 4 plus 6 divided by 2, that will be equals to 10 upon 7 divided by 2, that will be equals to 10 upon 7 into 1 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So that will be equals to here 5 upon 7. तो इस तरह से हमने जो है तीनों नंबर ढूंढ लिए. तो therefore the numbers are lying in between 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7 are 3 by 7, 4 by 7 and 5 by 7. Like this way we had completed our first question. Now let us go with the second. Now here second question we are solving. For the second question it is given 4 upon 5 and 2 by 3. To find out the numbers in between the 4 upon 5 and 2 by 3, we are supposed to follow the same steps, that is 4 upon 5 plus 2 by 3 divided by 2. But here we come to know, when we compare these two denominators, we come to know that the denominators are different. So first of all we are supposed to make the denominators equal. तो डिनोमिनेटर्स को इक्वल करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, 4 into 3 and 5 into 3 plus 2 into 5 upon 3 into 5 divided by 2. So it will be 4 3s are 12 upon 15 plus here the denominator will be here 2 5s are 10, then 5 3s are 15 divided by 2. So it will be equals to, now 15 is coming, so that's why I'll write down once only. Now 10 plus 12 is equals to 22 divided by 2. So it will be 22 upon 15 into 1 upon 2. So that will be equals to 22 upon 15 2s are 30. So this is our first number. Like this way we have found our first number. Now let us go with the second number. Now here the second number we are supposed to find. So here what we had written, to find the numbers in between 4 upon 5 and 22 upon 30. जो हमारा पहला नंबर था हम उसको लेंगे यहाँ पर और फिर इसको सेम स्टेप से सॉल्व करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर क्या दिया हुआ है, 4 upon 5 plus 22 upon 30 divided by 2. तो इसके लिए यहाँ पर अब अगर हम डिनोमिनेटर कंपेयर करते हैं तो इसका डिनोमिनेटर 30 है, इसका 5 है. हमको क्या करना है, इस 5 को 30 बनाना है. तो यहाँ पर 4 into 6 and 5 into 6 because 5 6 are 30. So 22 upon 30 divided by 2. So it will be 4 6 are 24 upon 30 plus 22 upon 30 divided by 2. So that will be equals to, once only we'll write down the 30 and here directly answer will write down 24 plus 22. It will gives us 46 divided by 2. So here 46 upon 30 into 1 upon 2 is equals to 2 ones are 2, 23 2s are 46. So the answer will be 23 upon 30. So here this is our second number. Now for the third number, we'll go for the, now to find out the numbers in between the 2 and 3, to find out the third number, we will take the 2 by 3 and 22 upon 30. तो यहाँ पर भी सेम स्टेप्स हमको फॉलो करना है. 2 upon 3 प्लस 22 upon 30 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, ये 3 को 30 बनाएंगे. सो हियर 2 into 10 upon 3 into 10 plus 22 upon 30 divided by 2. So that will gives us 2 tens are 20 upon 30 30 plus 22 upon 30 divided by 2. So here it will be 22 plus 20. It will be 42 upon 30 divided by 2 will be equals to 42 upon 30 into 1 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 21 2s are 42. So the answer is 21 upon 30. So this is our third number. So like that way we have found our all three numbers. Now lastly we are supposed to write down the answer. Therefore the three numbers in between the 4 by 5 and 2 by 3 are 22 upon 30, 23 upon 30 and 21 upon 30. Now the third question we are having minus 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So to find the numbers in between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, divide the sum of minus 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 by 2. Therefore, minus 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5 divided by 2. तो अब इसमें भी जो है डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट है, हमको डिनोमिनेटर एक करना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पर माइनस 2 इंटू 5 अपॉन 3 इंटू 5 प्लस 4 इंटू 3 अपॉन 5 इंटू 3 divided by 2. So that will be equals to minus 2 into 5. So minus 10 upon 15 plus 4 3s are 12 upon 15 divided by 2. So that will be equals to 15 and then 12 minus 10. It will be 2 divided by 2. So here 2 upon 15 into 1 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 get cancelled. So the answer is 1 upon 15. ठीक है? This is our first number. Now to find out the number in between 1 upon 5 and 4 by 5, divide the sum of 1 upon 15 and 4 by 5 by 2. So therefore the answer will be like this way: 1 upon 15 plus 4 upon 5 divided by 2. So again denominators are same, so we are supposed to make the 5 as 15. So here what we will do, 1 upon 15 plus 4 into 3 upon 5 into 3 divided by 2. So therefore it will be 1 upon 15 plus 4 3s are 12 upon 15 divided by 2. So it will be equals to 1 plus 12, it's 13 upon 15 divided by 2. So the answer will be 13 upon 15 into 1 upon 2 is equals to 13 ones are 13 upon 30. So the second number is 13 upon 30. Now let's go with the next number. So once again we'll write down here to find the number in between 13 upon 30 and 1 upon 15, divide their sum by 2. अब इसके आगे का स्टेप हम आगे करेंगे. Now the next step is 1 upon 15 plus 13 upon 30 divided by 2. For that 15 we are supposed to make it 30. So 1 upon 15 into 2 into 2 plus 13 upon 30 divided by 2. So therefore 2 ones are 2 upon 15 threes are 15 twos are 30 plus 13 upon 30 divided by 2. So it will be 13 plus 2, it's 15 upon 30 divided by 2 is equals to 15 upon 30 into 1 upon 2. So here it will be 15 ones are 15 and 30 twos are 60. So it will be 15 upon 60. So therefore 3 numbers are 1 upon 15 comma 13 upon 30 and 15 upon 60. Like this way we had completed our third sum also. Now this much we have completed. Inshallah in the next video we will complete this full exercise. I like to request you to like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel also. Assalamu alaikum, jazakallahu khair.